you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I wanted to show you what I purchased from Cirkul. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. All right, you guys. So the order that I had placed from Cirkul's website just arrived, and I was so excited and just wanted to tell you because the last video that I showed you guys and I told you I'm absolutely loving is the 32-ounce stainless steel bottle. And I've had so many comments on the video stating that they can't find them, or, you know, like, where did you get them? Because I don't see them on their site. That's because they were sold out for a very long time. And I wanted to get some more sips. So I went to their website, I was putting some sips in, I'm like, let me just see. And they actually have their stainless steel, the bigger 32-ounce now available again. They are back in stock, so if you did want them, grab them right now while they are still available because they sell out fast. But that one is my all-time favorite. A, because it's a bigger capacity, so you use less refilling. B, it keeps it colder and there's not any of that water condensation that settles on the outside of the bottle like the plastic ones. And it just stays colder for so much longer. And I just love the stainless steel bottles. I use mine every single day. And yeah, so if you guys haven't checked them out yet and you want to, I will have them linked down below. You can go take a look at them. Now, what I do is I do the bundler, and that's the best way to utilize the best discount. So when you first go to their site, when you go to products, I go to the bundle builder, and there you just add whatever you would like. If it's just a couple items or a lot of items, the more items in your cart, the more discount that you will get. And when you do it that way, I believe it's like 15, 20, 25, and 30% off based on how much you spend. And so as you keep building, the more your cart goes, it just keeps adding the deeper discount as you go. So that's what I like to do. If it's, like I said, if it's just one item or two, if you go there, that's where you're gonna get the best deal. So like my order should have been like $200 and something, but then after the discount for doing the bundle, it ended up being, I think, $175. I'll show you right here what my total was. So that's what I paid to get this. So down inside of my box, there's going to be a lot of sips. And then I have the 2 bottles I've purchased because I love Cirkul so much that I want more of my family to be introduced with them. I do have some family here that I've given like the plastic bottles to that I've got from Cirkul, and they absolutely love it. So I wanted to give them an upgrade. And for Christmas, I'm getting a lot of the family these stainless steel bottles, and I'm loving it. So hopefully none of them watch these videos because they're gonna know kind of what they're getting. But you know, I just wanted to be honest. These are for gifts because again, I love Cirkul so much. It's been having me drink so much water on a daily basis willingly. So I definitely want more of the family to be able to get that same enjoyment. And here is the white one. This is the one that I actually do have for myself, but I got this one for a family member. So it has Cirkul right there and right there. So on 2 sides. Other than that, there's nothing on here. It's like the matte white. And I did get a blue top because you can get different colors of the tops. And then I got a green one to go with the black bottle. So this is the same size, black matte finish. And then this one is just gonna have the green lid on top. And I even bought more bottles for other family members. So yep, this year they're getting the gift of hydration thanks to Cirkul. And then down inside of here is literally a whole bunch of sips, and I did get some duplicates because I'm going to start getting a lot of the sips so I can give them for Christmas as well. But the ones that I got, lemonade, and I bought 3 different ones. 3 of the green apple, 4 of the grape, 4 of the black cherry, 4 of the white cherry. I love both black cherry and white cherry, which is very, very rare because I normally do not like cherry as a flavor. I don't like cherries in general. Anytime there's like a cherry in like a drink that I would have, I don't eat the cherries. So it's very rare for me to actually say I like a cherry flavor. And so the black cherry and the white cherry are very, very good. So however they make theirs, I recant my I hate cherry because of these 2, only for them. Everywhere else I won't do it. 4 of the raspberry tea. Then I also got the sweet tea lemon. And I got 4 of those as well. So there's sweet tea lemon, 4 of the watermelon, 4 of the mixed berries. Mixed berries and the white cherry have slowly became like my top, and the fruit punch one, which I'll show you next. But they have so many of them to choose from. There's only a few that I won't try, and that involves coconut or mango. Anything else I've tried, I buy, and I love. So here's fruit punch, and I got 4 of those. Got 3 of the blackberry. And then I got 2 of the coffee ones. I got mocha iced coffee and vanilla iced coffee. So that is everything that I have to show for this video, showing you my order and what I purchased. Again, some of them will be for gifts, and then the other sips are just to add to my sip collection because I don't want to ever be without sips. So I always make sure that I place my orders ahead of time. And yeah, so I wanted to definitely show you guys that they do have the larger 32-ounce stainless steel bottles now available in several different colors. So if you did want one, again, grab it before they sell out again, because they were sold out for quite a while. So as soon as I saw that they were available, I'm like, yep, I'm getting them now. I'm getting them now because if I get closer to Christmas and they're sold out, I'm going to be bummed out, because I definitely wanted them to have the stainless steel and the 32-ounce because that's the best one in my own opinion. So there's that. So if you guys tried Cirkul, do you want to try Cirkul? Are you on the fence? Let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.